The Promira serial platform is TotalPhase's most advanced tool, supporting both active communication and master and slave modes, as well as real-time protocol analysis. As an FPGA-based platform, the Promira platform can be equipped with downloadable applications that unlock different levels of active and analysis capabilities for I2C and SPI communications. These application levels provide access to varying speeds, operating modes, and features, and can be downloaded and accessed as project requirements grow. In this video, we'll show you how to easily update your device's license and firmware using the new streamlined Promira admin interface. With the latest Promira firmware version 2.0, users can access an enhanced interface to manage their Promira device. This includes updating firmware, installing new application licenses, and configuring Ethernet connectivity. To access this new interface, your Promira platform must be running firmware version 2.0 or later. If your device is running an older version, you'll first need to update it using the previous process within the Control Center software. In the next steps, we'll show you how to bring your Promira platform up to date. We'll start by downloading the latest firmware by going to the TotalPhase website at www.totalphase.com. Navigate to the Promira Serial Platform product page and then go to System Requirements, where you'll find all available software for the device. Click the link to download. We'll also need to have downloaded and installed the Control Center Serial software. Open Control Center Serial software and connect your Promira device. Once connected, a green light will appear on your device confirming the platform is ready to transfer data. To update the firmware, click Upgrade License Firmware. A message will appear to confirm you are initiating the update procedure. Click OK. Another message will display with the next steps to follow. Click OK again, and your Promira device will reload as a storage device on your computer. Drag the previously downloaded firmware.pmu file onto the Promira storage device. Wait 30 seconds, then safely eject the device from your computer. Now, power cycle your device by unplugging the micro USB cable, waiting a few seconds, then reconnecting it. When it powers back on, an orange light will appear on your device, followed by all three LEDs turning solid blue. After about 5 seconds, the lights will flash in rapid succession. Once the update has completed, a single blue light will remain. The entire process takes around 15 seconds. Now that your Promira device is running firmware version 2.0, you can access the new Promira admin interface by typing http:// followed by your Promira's IP address and ending with :81. Through this interface, you can easily update both the firmware and application licenses. To update with a new license, locate the .pmu file that was generated and sent to the email on file, or request a license key from within your account under My Applications. Next, click Choose File, select the license.pmu file, and upload it. A new page will appear asking if you're ready to flash and reboot. Click Yes. It'll now display Writing Update to Flash Memory. After a few seconds, all three LEDs on the Promira will turn green. The screen will then indicate that the device is restarting. In about 30 seconds, the page will refresh back to the home page and the three green LEDs will change to a single solid blue LED. Now your device has been successfully updated. This same process can be applied when updating the Promira firmware. And there you have it. Updating your Promira device is quick and easy, ensuring your tool is ready for any project. For more information on the Promira platform and other tools we offer, please visit us online at www.totalphase.com.